On this episode of MAGIK Eating and Drinking in Pennsylvania, we're in Mount Oliver to visit that new wing spot. Have a chat with Chef John to find out why this soul food stop is said to have the best wings in Pittsburgh. Air fryer wings, huh?
Yes, sir.
That's a mistake.
This is not a mistake.
Wait for it.
Hey, babe,
Yes,
did you make wings?
I did.
Ugh.
I thought you wanted wings.
I do, but from that new wing spot.
You don't like mine?
Yours are naked.
Burn. Brownsville Road, Mount Oliver, on a bright afternoon. There's the post office, a local landmark. And speaking of local landmarks, we've come to our destination. Welcome to that new wing spot, also known as Mama Gayle Soul Food Café. Just as I'm getting in the door, I am greeted by Chef John.
Welcome to that new wing spot, one of Pittsburgh's hidden gems, where the chicken will make you lose your mind. We got that special Mama Gayle seasoning on our chicken that make people say we got the best wings in Pittsburgh. If you don't believe we got the best wings in Pittsburgh, stop up here, 130 Brownsville Road. See for yourself. It's called that new wing spot, but it's also called Mama Gayle's, because we do soul food too, baby.
The kitchen is small, surprisingly small, given its massive menu, wonderful soul food classics. The owner, KD, opened the Soul Food Cafe in honor of his mother's memory, Mama Gayle. To be sure, to this day, Mama Gayle's memory inspires every bite that comes out of that kitchen. And the food is hidden. Soul food classics just like you remember when you were growing up. And here's a man who has a large part of making that happen.
Scott, I'm Chef John.
Chef John?
Everybody call me 50 or Mr. Taco.
Mr. Taco.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Taco, then. How'd you get that name?
Well, I make the best tacos in Pittsburgh.
Did you guys sell tacos?
No, well, we do Taco Tuesday though.
Okay.
But yeah, this is that new wing spot. It's my boss's. That's his daughter. She don't want to be on camera. That's my boss. He don't want to be on camera. That's the inspiration, him and his mama, behind this new wing spot. He created a seasoning that's so popular in Pittsburgh. It's called that Mama Gayle season. And everybody comes up here. Even though we got multiple flavors in wings, everybody just ordered the Mama Gayle's wings.
Okay.
That's outstanding. Then we put it on the fries. Have you ever had a French fry you don't have to dip it nothing? Like literally, just don't dip it in nothing. Just eat it. Our Mama Gayle seasoning does not have no salt in it, and it tastes better.
Okay.
Up here, we don't cook with no salt because people have high blood pressure. So he came up with a way, and I came up with a way to create our seasonings with no salt, so that way everybody can eat it. Zero sodium.
But how long you been cooking?
I've been cooking since I'm 40. I'm 49. I'll be 49 this year. I've been cooking since I was 10 years old. Yeah. I learned to cook Mexican food. My best friend and then Ricardo and his brother Miguel, their mother, I used to hang out at their house all the time, and I was a really, really bad kid. I was ADHD, running around, and so I would go over their house and terrorize, just run around the house crazy. And one day his mama stopped me, put me in the kitchen and said, do this. And I took an interest to it, and then every time she would first thing she had me do was take mesa flour and smash them down and make tortillas out of them. And that's the first thing she had me doing, making homemade tortillas. And I did it so much that I would just go over there as soon as she started making them. I just sit down and I start making them. Then she taught me how to cook pollo, then carne asada, and then she was just like, heck, he can cook. Then she realized I have a light palate and could taste every flavor. So I was copying. I would go over his house and his mother go to bingo. My mother taught his mother how to speak English. so they would go to bingo together. And he had his older brother and older sister be there, so they'd be babysitting, and I would go in the kitchen and cook. While they doing their thing, I would go in the kitchen and cook. And I started making quesadillas with cheese and just the quesadillas. Then I started cooking the chicken, breaking the chicken down, making chicken quesadillas on their own. Then I said, you know what? I want to see what else I could do in the kitchen. So the very first thing I did at my house was cook with Thanksgiving dinner. I was 11 years old. My mother allowed me to cook in her kitchen ever since then. She never told me no, I couldn't cook in her kitchen.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
Everything. There's nothing I can't cook. I cook everything.
All right. So I see you got some ham in the ovens. You'll do a steak here and there.
Yeah, we do steak here. We do like steak salads. We do pepper steak rice. Yep, all different soul food. Beef ribs.
Yeah, I've been known to crave fish sandwich here and there.
Oh yeah, we make a great fish sandwich. A great fish sandwich. It's huge. It's huge.
Okay.
If you get whiting, when we got whiting, you get 4 pieces of whiting. And we got whitefish now, pollock. So you get 2 big pieces of pollock on the fish sandwich, whatever else you want on it. If you want lettuce, tomatoes, onions, tartar sauce, hot sauce.
Wonderful soul food classics. Comfort food favorites. For show. But today is about the wings that aren't naked. Then he gets to work with military efficiency. Very precise, focused. The man has timers for everything. Meanwhile, I'm over here sipping on some Project Kool Aid. A drink so sweet, it will get you high. It's just wrong, and yet so right. For too long, glorious bags of wings. And I'm off. After I sign the wall, of course. And upon my return home, without a modicum of shame, I voraciously tear through those wings like they might fly away. Since my mouth is obviously full, big shout out to Chef John for good company and great wings. Thank you, KD, that new wing spot's owner, and his daughter Paris for making the visit all the more memorable. To learn more about that new wing spot, also known as Mama Gayle's, you can visit the Facebook page or just stop in. Thank you for watching. If you know a Pittsburgh business that we should feature on the channel, hit us up at edmagik69@gmail.com. And please support your local businesses. And may God bless you and yours.